friends, did you know that MrBeast, who is the most famous YouTuber on the planet right now, pays around $10,000 just to make one thumbnail? He actually said this himself in one of his interviews. I recreated that exact thumbnail myself. Of course I didn't pay the $10,000. And here's one of the thumbnails I made. Of course it's not as professional as the one he made, just being honest. But guess how long it took me? 2 or 3 days. Honestly, no, it barely took me 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 5 minutes. And what's even better is that the method I'm going to show you today is 100% free. You won't pay a single dollar. And not just that, you'll be able to create any thumbnail you can imagine, whether it's a MrBeast style thumbnail, one like another YouTuber, or even your own design. And the best part, we won't be using Photoshop or any complicated tools. We'll use AI to create exactly the thumbnail you imagine, easily and quickly. And if you want to make a thumbnail in your own unique style, which I personally recommend, I'll show you how later in the video. So stay with me till the end, and don't skip a second. Before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for the incredible support you've been giving me on the channel. If there's a thumbnail you want to copy, just take a screenshot and crop it. And yes, you can do this whole method on your phone without any problem. If you're on a PC and want to take a screenshot, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Step 2. Open ChatGPT and type this simple sentence. Describe this thumbnail in detail and point-wise. I've left that sentence in the video description so you can just copy and paste it. Then upload the screenshot you took. The AI will analyze the image and describe everything in detail. Now we copy all that text and move to the next step, to the second AI tool called Ideogram. It's a site that turns text into professional images. The site gives you 12 credits, which can generate more than 40 images. At the top, there's a text box. Paste the text you copied. Choose the image size. This one is perfect for YouTube thumbnails. Then click Create. After a few minutes, your image will be ready. See how accurate and well-made the thumbnails turned out? It even used nearly the same text as in the original thumbnail. It may not be perfect the first time. Feel free to try multiple times. You can make up to 40 images for free every day. If you like any image, just click Download. Now, how can you swap the person's face with another? Easy. Just go to the third website called Remaker. Upload the thumbnail you just created. Then upload a photo of yourself or MrBeast again, for example. Then click on Swap. The result comes out really good. If you like the image and want to save it, hit Download. But you may notice the quality is low, so let's enhance it. Click Upscale and wait for a minute. The image is now HD with great detail. Hit Download. And finally, if you want to know where I get my thumbnail ideas and how I create them, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to support us, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Peace.